right? So what we have discussed in the last session, a for loop programs we have discussed completely. Today, first of all, while loop programs and then few for loop programs again. See, the point is when we can go with the for loop and when we can go with the while loop, that we need to understand first. First example is I just want to read two numbers and perform addition operation. So what I will ask, enter two numbers. We are just collecting into x and y. X and y we are collecting. We are adding them x plus y and printing them. Sum equals to z. Sum equals to z. That is, sir, how many times it will execute? One time this code gets executed. 12, 23. Output is a 35. If you ask, sir, how many times this code gets executed? Means is a one time the code gets executed. One time is the first one. Let me write that one. The code gets execute only once. Executes only once. That is, sir, what is that loop meaning? Loop means what? Repeats number of times. N number of times that loop will repeat. Sir, suppose if you are taking for loop, every time, everything, the complete code you have written inside the for loop for I in the range of 3 times 0, 1, 2. Whenever you have given 3 times it will repeat. So when you run this code, look at this. First time 12 and 23 output is coming. Second time 23 and 45 output is coming. 56 and 67 output is coming. So how many times the code gets execute means what? 3 times. When we know exactly how many times you want to execute, then you can go with the loop. Here it is no loop here. Here it is a for loop. Why for loop? Why for loop means for particular number of iterations. Particular number of iterations. When we know how many times you want to repeat. So this code executes how many times? The code executes 3 times because you are repeating 3 times. Now the question is while loop. Sir, how many times that loop executes when we don't know? When we don't know. While loop, when we don't know the number of iterations. Sir, how that happens means it's very simple. Instead of this, you have to write while true. True means what? This condition is true. The control will go inside. One time completed, then we ask, do you want to continue or do you want to repeat? Just giving that input. Do you want to repeat? Y or N? Simply yes or no. The choice we are collecting. What is your choice? If the choice is no, no means I don't want to continue, then only break it. See how this code get executed. When you run, look at the output of this code. Look at the output. First 12 and 23. After displaying this sum, now it is asking, do you want to repeat yes or no? Yes, I want to repeat. Yes means, look at this. Yes equals to n, no condition false. Break will not execute. Again, this loop will repeat. Yes means, again two numbers, 23 and 45. Do you want to repeat? Yes, I want to repeat. 78 and 90. Do you want to repeat? Yes, I want to repeat. 56 and 90. Do you want to repeat? Yes, I want to repeat. 45 and 78. Do you want to repeat? No, I don't want to repeat. Until, see, terminated. Until you are just providing n. As long as the condition is valid, it will repeat. As long as the condition is valid, it will repeat. So the code, if they ask, code executes how many times? Until you just give no. Code runs until you give no, n. So, sir, I want to execute only one time. Don't write any loop. Sir, I want to execute particular number of times. 3 times or 5 times or 7 times or for loop. Sir, I don't know how many times exactly. That we decide at runtime. Then we can go with the while loop. Okay, just do this quickly and drop in the chat box also, everybody, please. So this is one code. Everyone should write. Everyone. Okay, this is the first one. Next one, here one more code, let me write. Using if condition and using for loop, I am writing. Suppose enter number, take one number, or directly I am writing. Check the number is even number or not. Check the number is even number or not. If the number is divisible by 2 equal to 0, then we can say that yes, it's a even number. Clear message if you want to provide. Clear message. The number n is even number. Else print f, the number is not even. Even and not even. Same code. Execution will not change. Right here, when you are executing the code, just run it. First 13 I am giving. See, 13 is not even. Do you want to repeat? Yes, I want to repeat. Enter number 22. 22 is even. Do you want to repeat? Yes, I want to repeat. 77, it's not even. Do you want to repeat? No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to repeat. No, I don't want to repeat. Like this, we are writing. Like this, we are writing. Is the one. Here it is. The same one. Sir, I just want to print enter number. I want to print table, multiplication table. In the last class, we have seen for I in the range of 1, 11, because 10 times I want to repeat table number is n is multiplied with I value equals to n into I value. N into I. This is the one. Here, table number is multiplied with I equals to n into I. This is repetition. When we keep on executing this, here it is 23, table is a 23. Sir, here we are writing in a different way. What is that? Do you want to not repeat? Stop. Yes or no? Stop means reverse. Yes, I want to stop. If it is yes, break it. Reverse. In the previous one, what is the question I asked? Do you want to continue? Now the question is, what do you want to stop? In reverse, we have written. Now run the code. Now run the code. Enter number 23. Do you want to stop? No, I don't want to stop. Here it is 34, 34th table. Do you want to stop? No, I don't want to stop. 17th table. Do you want to stop? Yes, I want to stop. Then only it will be terminated. Then only it will be terminated. Like this, we are writing the codes. First program, I'm not using if else block, just adding two numbers. Now here it is, we are using that if else block, and here we are using for loop. Anything we can use depends on the requirement. Anything. Okay. Please write the codes and drop in the chat box. Everybody quick. So that is actually called menu driven program. Menu driven program. So what is that menu driven program? Same while true, but we keep on asking. One is for adding two numbers. Two is for subtract. No. Three is for multiply. Sorry. Three is for multiply. 4 is for suppose directly exit options. Then we ask what is your choice. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. If the choice is equals to 1, then that is for adding. Na? So we ask enter two numbers to add. Enter two numbers to add. We are collecting A and B. We are collecting A and B. Then we are printing that sum equals to that A plus B value printing. A plus B. Next. Else if choice is equals to 2. Same enter two numbers, but here subtraction. Na? So difference I am asking. A minus B. A minus B. Else if choice is equals to 3, then multiply. Multiply means what? Just product I am displaying. A is multiplied with B. Else if choice is equals to 4, exit. Exit means end of program. Just break. Sir, if they enter other than 1, 2, 3, 4, just giving invalid choice error. Invalid choice. So this will repeat until you are selecting that choice is a 4. When you are executing the code, look at this. Enter your choice 3. Enter two numbers 3 and 5. 3 into 5 product is a 15. Again it is expecting. Enter your choice. Suppose 2. Enter two numbers 56 and 23. Difference is a 33. Again, enter your choice. Enter your choice. 4. Exit. End of the program. This is actually called menu driven programs. Where we are using menu driven programs means whenever we are working with collections concept, list operations, set operations, dictionary operations and all, we use this one. Okay, please do this one, everybody. Right, a few more for loop examples. One is three programs. I'll explain three programs. One is a print events from 1 to 10. Second one is count events from 1 to 10. Third one is sum of events from 1 to 10. So for all the three programs, from 1 to 10 is a common. So loop we are repeating for I in the range of 1 comma 11. 1 to 10 it is printing. 1 to 10. 1 to 10 it is printing. Directly you can print I. But here it is saying that print only events. Print only events means don't print directly, print on condition. If I mod 2 equals to 0, then only print. If I mod 2 equals to 0, then only print. This is printing events. When you run this code, when you run this code, output is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Second one is counting. So same code only, but don't print. Take the count value equals to 0. Instead of printing, counting, count plus plus. Count equals to count plus 1. Outside printing, count is what is the count value that we are printing. See, counting means look at this. This is the one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Counting means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count is a 5. Sir, I don't want to count. I want to find the sum. Sum equals to 0. Just add to the sum. Sum is equals to sum plus I. That number. So sum is sum of even numbers. That sum we are printing. Run it. Look at this. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 is a 30. One program is for printing even numbers. One program is counting how many even numbers are there. One program is to find the sum of even numbers. Okay. Please write all the three. Everybody. So these while loop programs you have to complete by today. For loop programs also. All the things I'll upload into the drive and I'll share the link. Okay. You please go through that, everybody. You can leave.